Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw this, but you might. It looks like folded paper. So let's get this out of the way. And this is what you're going to need if you want to take a screenshot. You're going to take a square. I went ahead and made mine 16 inches. And then I took a 2-point line and hit P, and I made it 30 inches. Now, I'm going to take that line and Control D and duplicate it 45 degrees. Control D. I don't need to go all the way around like I did in the example, because then we're going to take a 2-point line and go from that top to there. And then we're going to go from here to here. And you could put it anywhere you want. There's no way it's going to get in the way. Now we need to take away one line, and we're going to take away this line right here. That's all you need. Now I'm going to go ahead and group this together so I can get rid of it in a second. I'm going to use a different color on this one. I'm going to use that burnt orange, and I'm going to fill in all three places. Now I filled in that little one last, so it's selected, and I'm going to get my interactive fill tool, and I'm going to put a little black. And this is where you could just shine and make your interactive fill tool do whatever you want for it. I think that looks pretty good. Now I did both of them going to black for no other reason, just to make it look like a folded paper. I want to zoom in. Looks pretty good. Now, if you remember, I grouped this together so I can get it out of the way. Now I'm going to Control G to group that, Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to use my Alt C. If you don't have that, you put it on the center of the page and just rotate it 90 degrees. And you get that right there. We put a black background on it. That's what you get. I think the orange looks pretty good. And I mean, it looks like, to me, it looks like folded paper. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.